What is the easiest programming language to learn? No, like, seriously, what is actually the easiest language to learn? Just outright. I compiled a list of every major programming language, random against a multitude of deciding factors, and found out which language was quite literally the easiest programming language to learn. In my opinion. Okay, editor, Semi did it right. Okay, these 6 are deciding factors. First of all, let's just get Python out of the way. I know that everyone thinks Python is the easiest language, but it's not. But it does rank really highly on this list, and for good reason. The syntax is almost English-like. Its error friendliness is very good as well. It almost points to the line, and it's readable enough. The setup is very simple for Python. They have a lot of online interpreters out there, and local setup is pretty simple. But the burn usage can be quite a bit, because beginners still have to learn what indentations are, types, and objects. But otherwise, it's quite simple. The motivation while writing Python is pretty high because it is a very simple language, so you can see immediately what is happening and you can see results on screen. And of course, resources. Python is one of the most widely covered languages out there, so that is not an issue for developers. So Python definitely is up there as one of the easiest, but is not the number one. Now, the antithesis to Python is JavaScript, but JavaScript has its own kind of issues and quirks, but it also has its own benefits. For example, the syntax is a little harder than Python. The error friendliness is a little worse than Python as well, because some errors are silent. But the setup is probably better because all browsers support JavaScript. Brain usage is a little weird because some types and stuff are just weird. You can look at the list there. A lot of it makes no sense. But motivation is also very high because you see stuff happen in real time on the DOM itself. Python is just the terminal and only the terminal. This, you can see it happen in real time. And resources, don't even get me started. My longest video on this channel, my longest video on this channel is 13 minutes, and it's just a guide to every single resource to learn JavaScript. I don't recommend you watch that video. It's way too long. I dragged that on forever because I just found more and more resources to learn it on. It's safe to say you're never going to run out of stuff to learn JavaScript on. So JavaScript is also going to be up there as one of the easiest. Python probably beats it, but is still one of the easiest. Now, HTML and CSS, everyone considers that technically the easiest language. I don't really consider these like a language, they're more like rules, but I'm going to put them on the list anyway. And if they were like technically a language, I'd say they probably win between these 3, but still, let's just put it against the rules. Syntax in HTML and CSS is very simple. It's really easy to figure out. The error friendliness is also very good. HTML is extremely robust. It never breaks the actual site. It just might not show up correctly. But CSS is a silent failure. It just never tells you what's failing. It doesn't show you. So that is pretty annoying when you're working with CSS. The setup for HTML and CSS, it doesn't get simpler. It's one of the easiest things to set up, and you see stuff happen immediately. The brain usage is very simple as well. It's one of the easiest languages to pick up and figure out. That's why a lot of people start on HTML. The motivation is very good because literally everything you do happens instantly on a page, so you can see everything in real time. And of course, for resources, nearly all tutorials start with HTML and CSS, so you're never going to have a problem on that end. HTML, CSS, I consider them the best of the 3 if they were like a language, but a lot of people argue they're not, so you can decide on your end. Now, I'm going to rule out the strong type languages, Rust, C, and Java. I know that they're great languages and a lot of people use them, but the boilerplate sucks, their setup is bad, they have bad error handling, it's not beginner friendly, and it's a lot higher cognitive load. For beginners and for learning purposes only, because this list is the easiest language to learn, they're not going to win. The easiest language is Scratch. Technically, it's a language, and because this video is called the easiest language to learn, Scratch is going to win. The syntax is God tier. You literally don't write anything, it just blocks. The error friendliness is God tier because you don't write syntax, it's just logic. The setup is also God tier because it just runs in the web and it runs in seconds. The brain usage is very easy because you don't have to write any syntax, you just write the actual logic. The motivation is extremely high because you can see stuff happen in real time with a setup screen for you to see what's happening. The resources are great because it's literally built for beginners. Scratch is going to win by a long shot. It's not even close. Scratch is the easiest language to learn for beginners. There's a reason that even CS50 by Harvard starts with Scratch. This is going to take the crown for a #1 spot. If you guys like that video, I offer one-on-one mentorship. I call it the call, where I give you one call. It's a one-off thing, and I'll give you clarity a roadmap. I'll look at your projects. I'll give you career hunting advice, job advice, etc., etc. Click on the link in the description to check that website out. It explains it. I also have a free Discord. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.